この芸人好きめ。
集中力がアップすんだよ。
集中力？可愛くね。集中力。ガシンガシンガシン。
This warning has been issued by the Wichita Police Department and the Kansas Emergency Management Agency. At 6:11 Central Standard Time, a strange figure that looked identical to the popular online internet meme Trollface has been seen walking down the streets of Wichita. All who have seen it seem to be mentally distressed or they were killed by the creature. It is recommended to watch for the creature and keep any weaponry close by. Make sure to stay out of sight of windows and make sure you have access to a charged cell phone for emergency calls. Call 911 if you feel unsafe. Make sure to tune into EAS 98.7 FM or stay tuned to this television channel for more information.
Listen up, the soap you shower with, it's you probably haven't even questioned what bar soap you lather up with. Let's face it, most guys don't. They're still using whatever bar their mommy bought for her little man. Is that what you want? To smell like mama's little man? Ugh. But now you can upgrade your shower game with Dr. Squatch Natural Soap. I'm talking about natural, nourishing, cold-pressed hand-cut soap for men. Men who use their hands. Men who build things. Men who open the pickle jar on the first try. Men who catch foul balls without spilling their beer.
This is a warning from the Kansas State Sheriff's Office and the Kansas State Government. At 6:21 p.m. Central Standard Time, the Trollface was confirmed to be named Trollge. It is confirmed that, if it knows of you, it will attack, and as many victims have said, toy with you. Guns, flamethrowers, and even bombs have proved unsuccessful at harming the creature. There are still many methods that the state government is attempting, and they are doing everything they can to destroy it. Keep as far away from windows and doors as possible, and board them up, if you can. Keep a battery-powered radio or a portable TV powered by batteries. Keep a charged cell phone for emergency calls.
At JT's Chrysler Jeep Dodge in Lexington, I'm going to give you the moon! It's deal-tastic me, and I make this the most easiest decision you ever make. From now to the end of the month, pay $0 down and nothing till January next year. Like new Jeep from $14,990. That's a good price. Save $8,000 on Chrysler 300. Or new Jeep.
This is a warning from the Kansas State Government and Missouri State Government. Evacuate, if you can. Trollge is in the process of committing mass genocide in the states of Kansas and Missouri. It is believed after this the next state on the Trollge's list is Colorado. So, if you live in Missouri, evacuate to Illinois, and if you live in Kansas, evacuate to Nebraska. Special shelters are set up therefore, if the Trollge comes to those states and is not destroyed by the time it gets to Colorado. Keep a battery-powered radio, water, food and weaponry nearby, if you are unable to evacuate. If you can evacuate, evacuate now. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. This is not a drill. If you do not evacuate, your survival cannot be guaranteed. This is an emergency action notification. All radio and cable stations in Missouri and Kansas have interrupted regular programming to transmit this special alert. This is KNSS serving the Wichita, Kansas area. If you are not in the Wichita, Kansas area, tune into the station providing information for your local area.